Good morning students. Now we are going to see fifth unit. In that we are going to see what is project management and what are the techniques that were involved in project management. First of all, what is project management? Project management is a technique of understanding the problems, needs and controlling resources of cost, time, scope and quality. If our company or our organization assigns some project, through that project what are all we are going to plan, what we are going to do, how we are going to arrange our team members, our team leaders and time schedule, everything is known as project management. Why do the companies and peoples need project management? Why they need is they need to handle the project effectively in organization and to agree with the customers, and it is the activities that involved in project, and there is a right source of a project time and right time. It is used for communicate with teams effectively, and it is used for the value and contribution to the organization. It will improve to the next level for our organization. This is the process of project management. First, entry phase, exit phase and initiating the process. This is controlling and monitoring project management process. There are some phases were included in this process. That is, first is planning phase. Planning phase is nothing but while we are starting a project, we should plan what are all we are going to execute, what are all the objectives we are going to follow. That is said to be planning phase. Second is scheduling phase. Scheduling phase is that scheduling the time durations and task and the team members and the duration of the project also. Next is controlling phase. Controlling phase is nothing but it is undertaken by an implementation of the schedule based on the project, and it has some deviations we may minimize, and we can follow the resources by using a finance, manpower, equipments and application techniques. Last is closing phase. Closing phase is a completion of a project and delivery to the customer. It is said to be closing phase. These are all the project scheduling techniques. Mainly we are going to see Gantt chart, CPM, PERT. Gantt chart is developed in 1918. It is nothing but it is used in project schedule. It is used to perform a task during the project evaluation, and we can include our timeline, our time basis in a design manner. It is said to be a Gantt chart. Next is PERT. PERT is nothing but program evaluation and review technique. This is used to find out the duration of a project, and it is said to be a duration of timing of a project, how we are going to finish our project and how many weeks we are going to do, what are all the duration of this project, how many members were included, what are all the basis, what are all the objectives we are going to follow. That is PERT. Next is CPM. CPM is nothing but critical path method. It is used to find the problems framework, and it is used to find some critical ways to complete the project in soon. These are all the steps were involved in PERT. First, we have to identify the task and we have to complete the project. By completing the project, we have to create a network diagram using the arrows and nodes were involved in it. Next is steps for CPM. CPM is nothing but is a critical path method. It is used to sequence those activities of the network diagram, and it is used to completion the time of the activity during this critical path. Thank you, students.